There is something Allah has been trying to tell you, not about the world, not about your future, but about you specifically. Something true, something most people around you have completely missed. Stay with me for the next few minutes, because by the end of this, you'll know exactly what it is. Somewhere along the way, you did something hard without anyone clapping for it. You held yourself together when nobody else knew you were falling apart. You forgave someone quietly and never told a soul. You kept praying on days when it felt completely empty. The world didn't notice any of that, but Allah did. And this is the first thing He's telling you. None of it went unseen. Not one moment of it. You've probably looked at how hard certain things have been for you and quietly assumed it meant something was wrong with you, that you should have been stronger by now, further along by now, less affected by now. Here's what Allah is actually telling you. The struggle was never proof of weakness. It was proof of how much you were carrying while still showing up. People who don't struggle rarely need to be strong. You do because you've been asked to carry more, and He's telling you that He sees exactly how heavy it's been. You keep replaying your mistakes, the prayers you rushed, the times you fell short, the promises to yourself you broke. But Allah is telling you something different about yourself than the story you keep repeating in your head. He's not measuring you by your worst moment on repeat. He's measuring the sincerity underneath it, the fact that you still care enough to feel guilty, still want to do better, still haven't given up on trying. There have been nights you sat with something heavy and felt like no 1 inch the world understood. Not even the people closest to you. That aloneness felt real and painful and endless. But Allah is telling you now that you were never actually alone in it. He was there in the silence, in the version of your pain you never put into words, in the exact moment you thought no one was watching. You weren't unseen. You were just unheard by people, not by Him. If Allah is telling you that your quiet efforts mattered, that your struggle was never weakness, that your sincerity outweighs your mistakes, and that you were never truly alone, then stop living like none of it counts. Say one prayer today, like it's being seen, because it is. Forgive yourself for one thing you've been holding on to, because He already has room for you to move forward. Let this actually change how you carry tomorrow, not just how you feel for the next 30 seconds. Allah has been telling you something about yourself this whole time. Now you know what it is. Comment, I needed this. If any part of this was written for you, and if someone you know has been carrying more than they show, send this to them. Allah Hafiz.